Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am cash planning for the week, $469 into my envelopes. So first off, in my wallet, I'm going to be putting $170, which is the usual amount I normally put in here. So I have spending, which is going to get $30. Eating out is going to get $30 as well. Groceries is going to get $80. Coffee, $20. And then buffer is going to get $10. So that's my wallet for the week. $170. I already figured out all that ahead of time. And then auto repair. I'm sorry. I'm going to go into my binders, which auto repair is first. Oh, actually, no. I'm not going to do that one first. I have some savings challenges. Oh, I have a savings challenge I'm finishing. So I want to make sure I get that amount on here first. So I have roll the dice. I'm putting 16 in here. And then I'll be done with this challenge. I'll be able to put this money in some other envelopes. So I have roll the dice. Roll the dice. That's getting 16. Okay, so I'm going to use my new calculator. I don't know how this one's going to go because this one's more like aesthetic, but not. I find it's not as functional as my normal little calculator, but we'll see. The other one I can just do things a little bit quicker in it, but the numbers are all spaced out on this one. Okay, so 170 and then 16 for that. And then since I'm already here, I'm just gonna figure out this. So I have 100 envelope. I'm gonna do 32. Oops, I forgot to put 16 here. 32. Okay, I'll do these later. And then I have Go Wild. I have 25, 25 and Go Wild. So I'm just gonna do 20 and Go Wild for this week. It's like really early in the morning. I'm filming this and the birds are just out. They are out today. I have my windows closed, but you can still hear them. There's tons of them outside. But I like the birds. I like the bird noise. It's cute. All right, so now I'm going to go into my black binder now. Okay, just making sure you can still see. Another one I want to prioritize in here is extra debt. So this is going to get, I have 110. This one's going to get 40. Okay, 191 left. I'm just going to go down the line with these. So auto repair is going to get 10. Christmas, there's going to be lots of 5s in this cash stuffing, so that's going to get 5 because I don't have as much to work with. Electronics, I have 518, so I'm going to do 7 just to even this out a little bit. Emergency, I'm going to put 10 in emergency. Okay, I did that one. Furniture is just going to get 5. Rainy day is gonna get 5. Okay, I actually need to take care of this week, and then this week or next week, this is my registration. It's due this month, and once I take care of this and actually pay it, then I'll start saving for next year. So yeah, that's cool. I have that payment already. I've had it for a bit. The last time I saved for this was in October, so I've had it since October. Road trip is going to get 5. Scentsy is going to get 5. Subscriptions is going to get 5. Again, lots of 5s. Treat yourself. I'm going to put 10 in here. Okay. Probably gonna be a very short cash planning because again I don't have as much to work with, but that's okay. I feel like every little bit helps. Even adding these like 5s in each week helps a lot. Okay, beauty, I have 21, so I'm gonna put 4 just again to even that out. like to either round it, have it at a 5, end in a 5, end in a 0 kind of thing. Clothing, that's gonna get 5. Content is gonna get 5. Yeah, I'll just put 5. I have 19, but I don't want to put just 1. I could put 6, but I'm just gonna do 5. Okay, Costco is gonna get 5, but this one I usually put my extra grocery money in here, so it's gonna get more than 5. Disney, okay, Disney, I'm going to Disney tomorrow, so I need more money in here. I usually don't put as much as what I put in extra debt, but again, I'm going tomorrow and I only have $42. Parking alone is $17 for me. I do get half off on parking, but I do have to pay for parking, so that's already $17. I only have $42. I know we're gonna do like the food festival, so I have to pay into that. And usually we eat somewhere else. Like we'll get the food festival, but it's like little small food items that we share. And then yeah, I feel like I need more money in here. I do have a gift card that I got as a gift from my dad. Actually, let me go get that. It was in here, but I took it out because I need to take it out of the packaging. Okay, so yeah, I have this gift card and it has $150. I can use this too, but I have plans to buy stuff with this, like some home stuff. So actually, let me take this out. But I don't know if I'm gonna spend it all on the home stuff, but the home stuff is kind of expensive. So we'll see. But yeah, I do have this card at least if I need to buy something. But I want to get some more cash in here. So I'm going to put 40 in here. I feel like that's a good amount. Even without the gift card, that's still a good amount. Okay, so family. I'm just going to put 5 in family. Fun, I'm going to put 5 in fun. Gifts is going to get 5. Hobbies, I'm just going to put 3 in hobbies. I have 22. Holiday decor is going to get 5. Home decor is going to get 5. Household, I have 9. I'm going to put 6 in household. And Target, I'm gonna put, I have 22. I'm gonna put 3 in Target. Okay, so I'm left with $28, and I think I'm just gonna put that into some savings challenges because I have like a $10 one and I have a $5 and $1. I'm saving ones. Okay, so the $10 one, I'm just gonna do $10. Let's see, usually I do it together. Yeah, I'm gonna separate it. I'm gonna do 10, 5s, and $1 challenge. Just making things a little bit easier for myself. So $10, I'm just gonna put 10. That's 10. $5, I'm gonna do 15, and I'll be able to color in the rest of this row. So I'll do 15 in 5s. I'm left with $3. That'll go into ones, which I'm just collecting ones in here. I condensed it, so that's why it's a 20, but I'm collecting ones in here, and then at the end of the month, I'll just distribute that into a couple of envelopes. Okay, so that is $469. Should be $469. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some tallies. Yeah, I'm going to do some tallies. Okay, so auto repair is gonna get 1, 10. Christmas, a 5. Electronics is 7, so 5, 6, 7. Emergency is 10. Extra debt is 2 20s. Furniture is 5. Another 5. Another 5. Lots of 5s. Treat yourself is 10. Beauty is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Clothing is 5, 5, 5, and then I have 2 20s. 1, Then I got 5s again, 3 1s, another 5, 5, 5 and a 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 20 for Go Wild, which is here. Roll the dice is 16, so that's 10, 5, 1. 100 envelope is 32, so that's 20, 30, 1, 2. Okay, and then $10, one $10. We need 3 5s, 1, 2, 3, and 3 1s, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now I'm just going to count up the tallies so that way I know how many I'm getting when I go to the bank. So 50s, I need 1. 20s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10s, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 5s, we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Again, lots of 5s. 1s, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 1s. And then now we will see if I did this correctly. So 50s, I have 50. 20s, I have 180, I believe. Yeah, 180. Oops. Did something really odd. Okay, so then 110 for 10s. 21 times 5 is 105, and then 24. Okay, so then if I add all this up, I got 180, 110, 105, and 24, which is 469. Perfect. Okay, so when I go to the bank, let me do my little sticky note. Okay, so the bank, I'm gonna ask for 50s. I need 1 for a total of $50. 20s, I need 9, which is a total of 180. 10, I need 11. That's 110. 5s, I need 21. That is 105. Oops, 105. And then 1s, 24, which is $24. So that's a total of $469. All right, so I'm just going to put this in my wallet so I don't forget it when I go to the bank. But that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, for choosing to watch this video, especially if you watched all the way to the end. I really appreciate you watching and, watching till the end. So thank you very much. So I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next video, which will be, I will have my cash stuffing of all of this on Sunday, so definitely check that out. But yeah, thank you again for watching, and I hope to see you in that next video.